Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andrew from AR Media, and tonight's video I want to review my new Xbox controller. Now, I picked up the Sea of Thieves limited edition Xbox One controller, and let me tell you, this is by far the coolest controller I've ever seen. So let's get right into this. So if you're looking to pick this up, definitely go and hit up a Best Buy, GameStop, or Microsoft store. I did not have any luck at GameStop or Best Buy. They seem to all be sold out, but Microsoft store does have it. This retails for $75, but Microsoft Store is currently selling it for $65, but that's in-store only. So I picked this up for 65 bucks, and let me say I am very impressed. So first I'll go over what it comes with. So this comes with the controller itself, 2 AA batteries, 14 days of Xbox Game Pass, 14 days of Xbox Lives, and some Sea of Thieves DLC. I believe it's a cosmetic item and outfit that you get, which is pretty awesome. Now the main reason I got this controller though is because of this awesome color scheme. Now, my two favorite colors are purple and teal. As you guys know from this channel, the main primary color is purple, and this controller just perfectly fits with that theme. Now, I did play the Sea of Thieves beta, and it does seem that it's going to be an awesome game as well. That's not the main reason I got this, honestly. The main reason is for the aesthetic. So some things I really want to hit on that you just can't tell by looking at it is there's little wear and tear, like laser etching marks of coral on the bottom that looks like it got stuck on some coral in the bottom of the ocean, and just the etchings around each of the joysticks. I mean, there is a lot of care and effort put into this design of this controller. Now also the purple part is translucent, so it is see-through, and it's partially see-through like they've done with the other controllers, which makes it look very cool as well. Now the skull in the middle, the Sea of Thieves logo, is also glow in the dark. I've only had this under light for maybe a day, and this thing is glowing bright already, and that's just another cool feature. Now, one other feature I will list on this controller that doesn't come on the basic Xbox controllers is this is Bluetooth compatible, so you could use this with your Windows 10 PC, which is really awesome because I PC game and game with the Xbox. Anyway, guys, I am super impressed with this controller. There is nothing bad I have to say. Really, the only bad thing I have to say cosmetically is this gold trigger. I mean, I get it because like the pirate with the one single gold tooth, but it kind of throws it off a little bit with the gold trigger. I would have done 2 gold triggers or just 2 purple triggers, but besides that, I think the design is absolutely flawless. One of the best designs ever of a controller in Xbox history. I think right up there with the Gears of War design, and a definite pickup, and definitely get your hands on it ASAP if you want to. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this review. Let me know down below if you did. Drop a like, and have a good night, guys.